Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, your graphics card is not supported with the error code FH202, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to update your graphic card's drivers to the latest ones. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'll show you Intel first and then I'll show you AMD and NVIDIA. You're going to click on to support, download center, click graphics here. You're going to search for your graphics card here. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your graphics card. And now on to AMD. Go on to amd.com, resources and support, drivers, graphics here. Select your graphic card series and then model. Click submit. Download the latest AMD adrenaline drivers on your computer. Now on to NVIDIA. Go on to nvidia.com. Click drivers. Select your graphics card along with your operating system. Click find, and it will find you the latest GeForce game ready drivers. You're going to go ahead and install them, and once you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now I have a fix, but this is only for AMD and NVIDIA. First I'll show you AMD. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD software, click on performance, tuning, set the automatic tuning to default. Don't have any overclocks or underclocks on your graphics card. Now on to NVIDIA. You're going to right click on here, open NVIDIA control panel, and then you're going to go into help and then turn on debug mode. What debug mode does is it sets your graphic card's overclocks to the factory settings. And once you're done with that, now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you will not get that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.